What's up guys, Random Razor here with some winter accessories for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Snow Joe Snow Broom for your vehicle. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So for those of you who live in the northern states or in Canada or anywhere that has snow, and if you have a car, obviously a snow broom or snow brush is a must-have accessory for the winter months. So there are many different types of snow brooms out there, which range from a couple dollars all the way up to $20 to $30 depending on how fancy you want to get. But this one here is probably going to be the ultimate snow broom that you can get for your vehicle. So let's pop open the ultimate snow broom for your car and see what we get. And just a quick note, this does come in a few different colors here. I just got a classic black, but you can also get green, blue, red, and a few other different colors as well. Sliding this out, the first thing that looks like we get is the ice scraper part. And this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was, which is a good thing, because if you have a lot of snow that comes in all in one night, then this will take off a lot of the snow off your roof in one go. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this. We'll carefully cut off the plastic. Alright, so you can see here, this is what it looks like in its compact form, nice and flat, shouldn't take up a whole lot of space in your trunk or your cargo area. To assemble is very simple. You just take the broom off the broom pole, grab the other end, and twist it on. And although it seems to be a little bit more work than a traditional snow brush that you can like turn or flip with a press of a button, this one seems to be a little bit better because it's a little bit more reliable. You don't have a mechanism to accidentally break. To take advantage of the LED lights, you will need to pick up some AAA batteries, which unfortunately Snow Joe does not include. They're very easy to gain access to through this little cover here. You just place your batteries in and you're pretty much set to go. LED lights for a snow brush seems to be an odd thing to have, but when you think about it, if you have a low lit driveway or if you're parked at the far end of a parking lot and you're leaving work late in the evening, having a set of LED lights to see what you're doing is not a bad thing. And of course, it also makes a really good extra emergency flashlight that's already in your car built on your snow brush. Now there are LED lights built on both sides of the snow brush, which is kind of cool. The switch for the LED lights is right here, which you can see is fairly large. You can use it with your gloves on. There's a simple on switch, but there's also a blink switch on the other side, which is again a useful feature for emergency purposes. If you're in the ditch or something and you need to grab people's attention to slow down, or just for caution, like emergency lights built on your car, again, this is a nice feature to have. Here's a closer look at the actual broom head, which you can see is very large. Just to give you guys a perspective, here's the size of my hand, which I'd say it's roughly average. So very, very large. It is approximately 18 inches by 7.5 inches. So that just gives you an exact measurement of how much snow you can actually take off your vehicle, especially on the roof with a large brush head like this. The foam itself is fairly soft, lightweight. It's very similar to those foam noodle things in swimming pools, just to give you guys an idea of the feel of it. The nice thing about foam is that unlike bristles, which collect snow, and of course that includes the dirt inside the snow, this does not. It just pushes the snow off, so you don't have to worry about scraping your vehicle with the dirt stuck in your snow brush. And what that basically translates into is that this will less likely scratch your vehicle, especially if you have a black car versus a traditional brush head. Moving on to the handle itself is made of a metal material which is fairly durable and lightweight. On the top and bottom you have two rubberized grips for added grip, and the last thing on the bottom here is your polycarbonate ice scraper. Take a closer look at the ice scraper. You have the abrasion side, which is used to break up hard pieces of ice that's on your windshield, and then you have your traditional scraper side to clean it all up. Now this wouldn't be a good ice scraper if of course it didn't extend, which you can see here. All I have to do is twist this piece, hold the brush head or this part, twist it counterclockwise so we can extend it. And then to lock it in place, you just twist it the other way. The telescopic feature does extend the snow broom from 33 inches all the way up to 52 inches, which is more than enough for those of you with a large SUV or truck to get that snow off the roof. So without further ado, let's give you guys a quick demo of the Snow Joe Snow Broom. So here's a quick first-person view of using the Snow Joe Snow Broom, which you can see here. We didn't really get a whole lot of snow during the time of the video, but at least wanted to give you guys some sort of demonstration of how this thing works and how well the LED lighting, which is lit on both the front and back sides, can be useful in dark situations. During this quick demo, I do like how the broom itself is fairly lightweight because it's made of foam, and also the large size really makes it quicker and easier to brush off all the snow off the rooftop of my SUV. Overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with Snow-Joe's snow broom. I like the large size that it offers, so it takes more snow off your vehicle and therefore less time, and also the peace of mind material, the foam that Snow-Joe uses, so you're less likely to actually scratch the paint of your vehicle. Keep in mind the snow brush or snow broom isn't going to scratch your car, but it's actually the dirt and stuff that's locked into the snow that scratches your car, whereas with a snow brush, all that material is trapped inside the brush, but with foam, it doesn't stick to it. The only thing I thought I wouldn't like with this snow brush is the fact that you have to take the pole and twist it off the actual broom head here, which I thought would be a little bit cumbersome, but I actually gone to appreciate that because this is a lot more secure than an actual twist mechanism that some of the fancier snow brushes use. Here's a quick comparison to the other snow brush that I've been using for the past couple years. This one here I picked up from Canadian Tire, and you can see here this uses a swivel mechanism to turn it in place, but the swivel mechanism is made of this plastic material, so you can see here it's quite flimsy, whereas this is a little bit more durable, or a little bit more stable, you could say. In terms of any cons or concerns, I guess the only thing I can mention is the foam that Snow-Joe uses here, although it's soft and gentle on your car, feels a little bit fragile. So I'm a little bit concerned if you nail like a sharp piece of ice or something like that, it could tear it or something along those lines. So only time will tell to see how long this material would last. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for the ultimate snow broom, snow brush combination for your vehicle, you definitely can't go wrong with the Snow-Joe snow broom. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about this, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see y'all in the next video.